How to deactivate your TikTok account. Hello everyone, welcome. In this video I will show you today how to deactivate your account. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open your TikTok. Yeah, after this, when you open TikTok, what you should do, you just come and open your profile. So right here on your profile, guys, click on this three line at the top of the screen and go to your settings and privacy. So right now here on your privacy and settings, go to account. And when you open account, you have to come now directly and open deactivate or delete account. So after this step, guys, you will find like two options, I think. Deactivate account and delete account. So click on deactivate account and you wait until it show you a page here and click deactivate, and that's it. You have to finish the other step. So that's it, guys, in this video. I hope it's useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.